This project uses the 595 shift register and the real-time clock circuit to display readable minutes and seconds on the 4-digit 7-segment display. Each one of the 7 pins on the display is connected to an isolated resistor network that is connected to the shift register. The 4-digit 7-segment display is in the common anode configuration, meaning the inputs to the 7 segments must receive a low signal to illuminate the display. There are also 4 output pins to the display, each corresponding to one of the 4 digits. Each one must receive a high signal for its corresponding 7-segment display to illuminate. The RTC is used to keep accurate time with a gain or loss of up to 2 seconds per day. This is done by bouncing a signal off a correctly cut crystal that will create a highly accurate clock signal that can be read by the RTC chip. 3906 transistors are used to control each of the 4 displays so that when a low signal is given from the Arduino, the pins will receive a high signal. The code uses defined statements as opposed to integers to assign each pin with a name. Defined statements are more efficient as they use no storage space on the Arduino. The code then creates a repository on the Arduino where data from the RTC is stored and used when called. The RTC.read statement is used to call the RTC and check for the correct time. The TM statement is then used to call in the seconds and mods the number by 10 to isolate the ones digit before dividing the number of seconds to isolate for the tens digit. This is followed by a 0.001 second delay for the POV effect before the display is sent a low signal to turn it off. These steps are repeated for each of the 4 digits, allowing for the time to be displayed.